Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the spark plug wire boot on this Briggs Stratton engine, make sure the engine has cooled. If still intact, detach the spark plug wire and boot from the spark plug. You can place a drop of liquid dish soap into the boot to assist in pulling it off the wire and terminal. Before you install the new spark plug wire boot, confirm the spark plug terminal is intact on the wire. Place a drop of liquid dish soap in the new boot and slide the boot over the terminal and onto the wire. Attach the new boot to the spark plug, and the engine should be ready for use.